Hi, my name's Grant Shaler. In this CICS Deployment Assistant demo, we're going to take a look at how we take an unmanaged CICS system and make it a managed CICS system that's being managed and controlled by CICSPlex SM. So I've got my demo project open here, my CICS Deployment Assistant project, and in our navigation tree we've got an entry called CICS Regions Unmanaged. If I expand that entry, I can see a CICS system here called CICS Dem1. If I double click on that, I get the details about this unmanaged CICS region CICS Dem1. You can see I've already specified a start policy associated with this CICS region, and this CICS region is run by some JCL, ghl.demo.jcl member demo1, and I've previously associated and set that start policy within the model. Now I'm going to run the add to CICSPlex wizard by pressing this hyperlink here. And I'm now getting a list in this dialog and this wizard of which CICSPlex would I like to add this CICS system to. And so the CICS that I'm going to add it, the CICSPlex that I'm going to add it to is Plex G28A. So I select that. Now that I've selected that CICSPlex, I get lists of groups that are available within that CICSPlex for me to optionally add this CICS system to. And I'm going to add it to the groups called AORs and also the group called GRPmon. This CICS system needs to be owned by a CMAS, so I'm going to choose IYCSZGC0, which is my only option. Now this process is going to modify the CICS JCL, and I'm going to ask for that JCL to be specified in a different place. So I don't overwrite my original JCL, and I'll click the finish button. So what this process is doing is it's looking at the JCL for that CICS region, determining what changes it needs to make to make this CICS system managed by CICSPlex SM. It's updating that JCL, adding datasets, and potentially changing set options, and it's also defining and doing the necessary definitions to CICSPlex SM to create the necessary CICS system definition and CICS group definitions. Now those definitions are made from CICS TS version 3 or CICS TS version 4, so you don't need to be running CICS TS version 4 to be doing these updates. So the process is finished, and in the CICS Deployment Assistant console we get a report indicating the processes that were run. So for example, the CICS region has been added to the CICSPlex that I requested, and it's been given a MAS name, ICS Dem1, it's a CICSPlex SM name, and it tells me which plex I've added to and which groups. The JCL that was changed tells me about the set options that were specified, and also CICSPlex SM specific EYU palm statements that were created and defined for the CICS system. There are some set options that weren't changed, and you need to review those things manually. For example, if there's storage usage increases, things like that. So when the request's completed, we can see that our ICS Dem1 region has changed from being an unmanaged region to a managed region. The CICSPlex SM section of the view has changed, and also as part of the add to CICSPlex wizard, the JCL that was changed has been opened, so I can review that here and make any necessary changes. So this CICS system was running for me to be able to add it to CICSPlex SM. So I need to stop it and restart it to get it into being CICSPlex SM managed. So I can click the stop region button here. So I get a prompt confirming that I wish to stop that region. So I'll click OK on that. Notice down in the Jobs tab here, because I'm working with this region, it's automatically selected the CICS system that I'm running with. This little green play icon shows that when this view was last drawn, the CICS system was running, and if I click the refresh button, the little play icon's gone away, so this CICS system is no longer running. so I can start it up again. So I'll click Start Region button. Notice that it's picked up my new, automatically picked up my new piece of JCL that was generated. I'll click OK on that. Again, I'll refresh the tab here. We can see that the CICS region is coming back into life, LMAS Deb 1. I can look at the ZOS job tab down here, which is a CICS Deployment Assistant capability, which lets me look at a running CICS JCL. I can select this CICS system here, and it automatically follows in this window. Now, if I look at JES message log, we can see in the message log here that the CICS system's restarted and has successfully connected to CICSPlex SM. So that completes a demonstration of the Add to CICSPlex wizard.